You have made it to another weekend, so let's take a look at what has been hiding in your shadow during this week, the rejected part of yourself, and how will you continue to use your power of choice. Now, the shadow work theme for this weekend is I can. So let me ask you to reflect on this question. What is your contribution to the world, and do you feel you can achieve it? Now, first, let's look at the meaning of a few words. The words are I, ego, can, not, and try. You see, I is the first person singular nominative pronoun known as the ego, and ego is the self, that which feels, acts, or thinks. Can is to know, have power to be able. Not is in no way, denial, refusal, or prohibit. And last, try is an effort and an attempt. And based on their meanings, can is to have the power to, and not is to deny. And when you are in your shadow, the rejected part of yourself, you will deny, you will refuse, or prohibit how you use your power of choice to contribute. Now, when we are talking about contribution, we are talking about the good works that has brought peace and protection to others. This contribution provides you with the recognition of spiritual credits. Now, your shadow's goal is to make you believe that you can't, and it will always tell you that you are not good enough, and it will cause you to imitate others when you are contributing. And since we are no longer in the age of belief, the age of Pisces, and we are now in the age of I know, the age of Aquarius, it's about knowing that you can, having the power to. So it's important that you become a conscious observer and that you check out what is coming out of your throat. What are you saying? Are your words from your own thoughts, or do they belong to someone else? How are you speaking? What is your tone? How is what you are speaking making you and others feel? What are you communicating? Are you acting on your own words so that others can learn? Are you being the role model so that others can see how to step into their own power? And last, once you've completed your observation, then acknowledge and accept what your shadow is doing. This is the only way that you can have the power to use your power of choice to make change, to start contributing in your own unique way to bring peace and protection. Because you will walk with no fear. You will not compromise or conform. So start today and let go of I can't or I'll try and only focus on I can. I want you to speak it, to act it, to know it, to use your power of choice wisely so that you can make decisions and take actions on what you are contributing and how you will contribute to the world. To learn more about how you can use your power of choice effectively to start contributing to the world, then check out my membership program called A Time for You. The link is in the description box. Now, if you need more immediate one-on-one attention, then book a guided coaching session so that we can start to analyze how you have been misusing your power of choice. And that link is in the description box as well. I look forward to seeing you in our next shadow work theme for the weekend.